Okay, another thing we had going on here was this window cable, drive cable was snapped and bunched up, but the motor was good, the switch was good, everything else was good. So what I did, I had a spare motor for the right rear, which is in good shape. So I took the drive, it's a little plastic spool that the cable winds up on. So I took that drive spool, because I'm not sure if they're left or right-handed, but I just swapped everything to be sure. And the tracks are basically reversed. So what you got to do is there's two cables. They pin into that drive spool. And there's a short one and a long one. So depending on how you take it off, the right side, I believe it had longer throw up. I think it started from the bottom position, so it would have like the short cable on the bottom, the long cable on the top. So then on this side it was kind of the opposite, so you had to put the short cable on top, long cable on the bottom. It's kind of one of those things you just kind of have to just kind of figure it out as you go. Used a lot of lithium grease on the track, made sure it was all, you know, good to go. I don't know, you know, won't be able to see much going on in there, but yeah, I mean, this is the old one. It connects together in the middle with two springs and clips, and so I replaced both the drive cables, and yeah, it works now. So I don't know if the key is even on, but no, but everything's good. One more thing off the bucket list.